Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and guess what? It's December, it's my birthday month, and it is my, you already know what, Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my Luxe box, the box is huge. You already know what to do. Keep on watching. So this is my Luxe box, which I get like 3 times a year. I don't know, I think I'm gonna cancel that Luxe situation. So it just says it looks like, so I'm not looking at the prices because we're gonna go over the prices in the end of the video. You already know how we do. It's Winter Luxe 2022. So we're gonna put it like so and put it over here. Our first product is actually, it's called Dew of the Gods, and it's the Weekend Glow Challenge. Oh, it's a 2 lace spawn sheet mask, Saturday and Sunday. So like a weekend. Oh, makes sense. A weekend. Okay, got it. I don't know. The Gods of Good Skin challenge you to prioritize this weekend. For the next 2 days, you're the main character and you're in control. So yeah, I'll try this. Well, I'm recording Saturday, so I can't really do it Saturday, Sunday, or maybe next weekend as always. Let us jump in our other item. Oh, this is actually from One Size. I've had like really good like experiences with One Size, so I can't even complain. So this is their primer. It is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer Base. So I will definitely be using this. Does it have a smell? Does it have a smell? Not really, but it really, like, it blurs. Like, you look at this, like this is lit. Like, it really blurs. So we'll definitely be using that today. I'm gonna put it right here so I don't forget it. Let us jump into our other product, and this is from Fenty Beauty. It's the Stunner Lip Paint. Actually, I think I have this here somewhere. Yeah, I have this exact shade. So maybe I'll send it to my sis. It is, yeah, long wear lip, a fluid lipstick. So this is cool. But I have that and I use it, and and the shade is on Cuff, which is very pretty. We're gonna jump into our next product. It's off to Costa Rica face palette. I'm doing that because I'm already because I just saw the bronzer in here and I'm like, girl, you already know that I ain't gonna bronze you, but you know what, it is what it is. So this looks really cute. Look at this is so pretty, right? So this is from ABH and it looks like so this is pretty. I don't know, this might, yeah, but this bronzer, girl, I mean, I think it's not doing anything. Like, look at this. It might bronze me, maybe. We'll see. We will see. But that blush, though, I feel like that blush is gonna be pretty. Like, look at this. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty blush, and I like the packaging. It's so cute. It's so cute. So we'll be using that. This is from Herbivore, and it is a vegan collagen and tremella plumping hydration serum. Let us go in there. But first, I'm gonna like wipe out my face because I did put, you know, a little situation on here. So I'm gonna put some of this. It looks like so. This bottle is really cute. It almost looks like the Glow recipe, and it's a plush hydrating serum that helps dry, dehydrated skin bounce back. So it pretty much just brings your skin back to life. So let's go ahead and use a little bit of that. Oh, that feels good. Actually, I really like Herbivore product. Maybe I'll ask my husband. It's a little bit tacky, which is good for your foundation because he has an oil that he uses from them. I don't know. We'll see how he feels about it. So this is actually from ABH as well. Is it the second product from ABH? Yeah, it is the Brow Freeze. I actually like literally like have a container like right here that I'm using all the time. So yeah, I may give that to my sister as well because, you know, I don't use it. I don't need it. Actually, I do use it, but I just have a new one. And those things last forever. So this is from Dear Midnight. And it is a set to last setting spray. Setting spray. And oh, it looks, this is, I like the bottle. Like it's like really cute. It's very Christmassy. Let's test that mist. Woo! It does have a smell. That mist is powerful though. It's like all up in your face. Like that's a lot. You know, like in your face.
Do you think that's funny, butthead? And we will definitely be spending a lot of time talking about master.
I'm being a pervert. Oh, and then we have a palette or an eye palette. Oh wow. So this is from Molly, and then it is the best dress lids, and it is neutrals and bolds, 14 mattes and shimmer shadows. What's the bold? What is the bold? So the palette actually, let me just, looks like so. I don't see any bold in here. I don't see any bold in here, but you know what? That's it. That's the final product in the box. So let's go ahead and just create a look with that, right? That's what we got. We're gonna work with it. Is it bold? Maybe not, but you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. This whole palette is already stressing me out. Like it's so crazy. Like, so we're gonna go into this shade right here called Music Concert. I don't know. This makes me sad. And this is what? This is a T, not a T, sorry, and a Y 214 for Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm gonna go in here. Jesus Christ, I do not like this. I mean, is it like going on the eye? Yeah. Is it my favorite thing? No. This is a 433 from Morphe. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is called Late Brunch. It seems to be like all like date stuff. Like, so it was like music and then a romantic picnic. Like, and then this is from Crown. It's a 510. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's like really, really light. I'm gonna put this like right here. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a what? This is a shader brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade, which is called Romantic Picnic, I think. Yes. But I'm just gonna put it right here, just in the center a little bit. Perfect. I think that's fine. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and time to talk about this foundation. This eye look actually came out okay. We'll go with that story. So today we're gonna talk about the Nars Radiant Finish. Before we do that, let's jump into that one size primer. And let me shake her. So I'm gonna use my 732 from Luxie. Ooh, so I put some on here and I'm just gonna dab it. So we're gonna use our Tarte chip tape. Okay, so we're gonna use this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I love this. I had to like stop using this because I was using it like literally every video. And I'm like, girl, you have other things. Like what are we doing? We can use this. This is an E35 from Morphe to blend my concealer. And this is my foundation blush. I'm just gonna top this edges right here. Back to my niece. I have the cutest niece. I know everybody thinks that, but no, mine is actually the cutest. But she loves my husband. Like, that's like her favorite person. But it's all good. It's all good. You know, I've been replaced. It's all good. She used to love me. No, it's all about my husband. But she gets like he cracks her up. She'd be like, oh my god, I'm so funny. But she only says that when she's talking to him. So okay, so I'm gonna put on my Microsmooth powder from Sephora. I mean, I do sound a little bit salty because I am. Like, I used to be her favorite. Like, I used to tell her, say favorite auntie this. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why she's like, no girl, you're not my favorite. Your husband, on the other hand, is my favorite. But it's just so funny, you know, like I'll come on the phone and as soon as I get to the phone, uncle, I'm like, girl, which uncle? Me, auntie. Auntie, I'm your favorite. Call me. We're all spoiled, so poor child. She came into this family like we're just rotten. I'm like, me, say you love me. But again, if I'm gonna share like my husband with somebody, then it's cool that it's her. It is cool. Now I'm gonna go into that music concert and just finish up my low. Oh, this brush up. Why are you trying to come for me? So we're gonna use Cuff from Urban Decay. Let's put Cocktail Hour in the inner corner. Let's go into Miss. I don't know, what is this palette called? Oh, off to Costa Rica. Let's see how it's gonna bronze your girl. I mean, it's bronzing. Is it contouring? Maybe not. So I think it's just bronze, but it looks good. This is the 739 and this is from M.A.C. It is the Mineralize finish, but it looks kind of, see, so that's not my powder because that would be too dark for me, but I feel like it will be fine for a contour. I'm actually gonna go car shopping with my nephew, so maybe my makeup should not be like bam, maybe, but you know, I'm gonna use the blush. Then let's go in with highlighter. I'm gonna use my Lovecraft brush. This is Rose Fume from YSL. This is from it's Electric from Juvia's Place. And then let's set the face with the Dear Night Set to Last. Okay, so let's get into this Boxycharm lists. So first, let me get my handy dandy calculator, you know, the usual. And our first product slash items just stuff in the box is from Herbivore, which is that Cloud Jelly Serum. It's non-sticky, hyaluronic acid alternative serum that helps dry, hydrating skin bounce back. So yeah, and that's $48. I actually put it on my face. It felt really good, and I think that's part of what is giving me this glow. But I'm here for it. The face palette from ABH, this Essential Trios, delivers a lightweight, buttery feel and seamless blend, and that's $58. We jump into that palette. I don't know. I like the face palette, the eye palette not so much. I'm just like, girl, I don't know. It's not really my thing. Can I create a look with it? Yeah, you know I can. Can you create a look with it? Yes, but is it something I would jump at in the store? No, just not my shade rate. Like, not my shades. They don't scream December, and that's what I look for in a palette. And that is $45. And our next item is from One Size, is that Blur Magic Primer. I love that. It literally, so on the side of my nose, like right here, like here, and then like, so my problem area is like literally here, right? Nothing. It was just like gone. I was like, I'm here for that. And that's $30. And again from ABH, we have that brow frizz. I did not use that. I used one that I already have because, you know, I didn't want to just open up a new one just so. And then that's $23. And then from Fenty Beauty, that's toner, same thing. I have another lip toner that I'm using already, and I don't want to open another one. I could give it away to somebody else, because I try not to have like too many lipsticks and stuff just open, because especially if it's the same shade, no need for that. And that is $26. The setting spray actually, I think, also helps give me a glow. I don't know what's up with the glow, but I'm here for it, you know, all this glowy stuff. And that is $30 as well. Last but not least, the Dew of the Gods, which is the masks that, you know, I'm not be able to use till, like, you know, and that's $40. So my total box, $300. I think I paid like $60 for this. That's why I'm like, I think it's a little bit pricey. It did go up in price, but this month I'm actually insanely impressed with this box and how much makeup items I got there, because usually I don't. I mean, I literally had like, let me see. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, and like 7 of them I could have used on my face, like, because I use the serum because it's always good to prep your skin before you do your makeup and stuff like that. So yeah, so I literally could have used everything except the mask. So I feel like this one was a really good box, but I don't always get a really good box, you know. And then for $60, I'm like, But yeah, so that's it, guys, for this Boxycharm December unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.